Okay. Yes, now you can share your screen, Prakshit.
Just
If you're not speaking, can you please mute yourself?
so this is my screen,
Okay.
SQL. That
Okay.
day it was not working, so I just Googled a lot, and in Mac OS we have to separate download the MySQL Workbench
Okay.
after that. So I
Okay.
did that. But
Okay.
after that, it is not showing standard database. In schemas, it is only showing that sys.
Okay. Open sys.
Yes,
Okay. Open tables.
yes.
Sysconfig and views. Click. Okay. There is no columns.
Yeah, it has data in this, I think, when I am clicking on that, so it is showing something. But when I am giving command like select star and from this,
Okay. Okay.
it
We'll
is not
do one
taking.
thing. I want to say, like, if it's
Mm.
not going to work out now, I shared some files with you in WhatsApp.
Yes,
Everyone
yes.
observed it?
Hmm.
Okay, right. Now, you know what we need to do. So those are the databases which I gathered from some of the open sources and from some
Hmm.
of the people who created those things. Okay,
Okay.
just you'd load those databases into your machine and you're able to see those data. So now we'll go through all the concepts based on those databases. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, right. So now just so now where you're able to see open the database on your screen on your workbench.
Pardon?
The cylinder one is there, right? On your right corner, left corner, left. Yes. Click on that one.
Yes.
Okay. And click on the left one. Beside to that one.
Mm,
Beside to that one.
This one.
No, no, no. This one. So beside to that cylindrical one.
This.
Yes. No, no, no.
On the right side, I think.
Right side to that particular cylindrical one.
I'm not getting. These are two
Next to
cylinders.
that.
So,
This.
The
yeah,
right, yeah,
that one, that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Click on that one. Okay, right. Column name, default name, views, functions, and open ski. Go to the file menu. Home.
Mm,
Click on home.
Home. Yes.
Okay. And right. So now you opened it, right? Give me 1 minute. I'll show. Guys, can anyone share who has a Windows installed in their machines? Installing machines. So now who are available with that machines?
So the what missions?
I want to show to the audience who are installed their Microsoft
Okay.
SQL Workbench on a Windows platform,
Okay.
not
Okay.
Mac.
Mhm.
One,
Who are there?
Yeah.
No.
1 second.
So can now I have
Yeah.
to stop the share?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll get back to you after our Windows completion.
Okay.
Um,
Sir, I have window machine. Tejinder.
Tejinder, can you please share your screen? I make you the co-host.
Mhm. I am.
The process is the process is the same. You know what you need to do? You have second one, option second one. Yes. Click on that one. The second one. No. On the top, below the edit. Yes, click on that one. Okay. Some files I shared to you, right?
Yes, sir. I downloaded those. One
Uh,
of the. They are downloading. This
select
one.
all those four. Select one. Okay, select one. Now click on the power symbol.
Okay. This one?
Yes, click on it.
Mhm.
Okay, just come to your left hand side panel and refresh that particular button beside to the schemas. No, not that one, this one. Down, schemas, beside to the
This
schema.
refresh?
Yes, refresh.
Okay.
Okay, that is a SQL HR database.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, like that you
Okay.
need
This
to
will
do
we
for
have to
the
add.
yes, like that you
Yeah,
need to
sure.
do for the remaining 3 databases also. I hope 3 or
Okay.
4.
Yes, there
Yeah.
are
So they are
3.
three.
coming. I clicked on download. They are, I think, downloading.
Okay, so no, for Raktu, for you also the same procedure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Each and everyone load their databases.
Okay. I will try.
Sir, I loaded, but my run button is not like working. It's like
Really? Who's this?
Smita here.
Smita. Can try with the after selecting the entire query in the editor, try to click on Shift Enter.
Shift.
Good morning, sir. This is Nirupa.
Hi,
Uh,
Nirupa.
I'm
Um,
I'm not at home and I don't have system. I'm just watching through the phone.
Okay.
So I will do it once I get back home, and I might it might be little late. I'm stuck in the doctor's office actually.
Sure. No problem. You can just go through the class video, and if you got any doubts, we'll discuss in our next class.
Okay, okay, sir.
So I added these 4 in SQL workbench.
Okay. SQL HR is there, store is there.
Yes,
And
create DBHR, inventory, invoicing, and store.
Inventory.
inventory, invoicing, and all those 4 need to be
Yes.
there. Hmm.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Who's this?
Smita.
Okay, yes, you can share. 1 second, I'll give you the screen share.
Yeah.
I make you the co-host. Can you please share now?
Yeah. So see this like
Mm,
oh yeah.
Okay, once close it and open your database workbench. There is no unconnect. I'm it's like I'm able to see local instance. Go to that local instance MySQL 180, not the unconnected one, on the top beside to home. So click on that.
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah. Now.
okay. Beside
So
beside to that, you are able to see unconnected.
yeah. So now I have to upload again, like from here.
Okay.
This one.
So
Am
no
I
no
doing
no no
correct?
no 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 no. Wait. Each one on one.
Oh, not this way.
Okay. Once first one create and execute one and run that query. First, the database need to be reflect, right? Yes. Execute that query. Yes, database is created. You can refresh that particular schemas and you're able to see the new database.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. No.
Okay. Like that, you need to do for all those remaining.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Each and everyone are completed?
So everything will come in now SQL_HR.
Sorry. Every time?
Like we uploaded 4 database now.
Yes.
For file you send. So
Yes.
that will come in SQL HR schemas or anywhere else.
No. Each and every one will come under one. One is a SQL
Okay.
inventory, one is a payment, like one is SQL HR, and another one is a SQL inventory, and another one is a SQL store. You need to get 4
4.
databases.
But I am getting only one SQL HR. So I have to remove that 3 and again one by one I have to run that.
Prakru,
Yes.
you can share your screen once. We'll see what's the problem you're facing.
Wait.
Sir, I have a question. So
Yes.
I tried, like yesterday, I am just trying, working around the SQL. So when I tried to create a table,
Mm-hmm.
so already there are 3 databases in that. So
Mm.
in order to, like, if you say, for example, like how you created HR, right? Instead of loading this and all, to do it directly, like create table and all, do we need to create a database like system and everything like that for that first, or
I meant to say, like,
how?
we have a different features, Nirupa. You know what is the thing? You can directly you just create a table and give the column specifications, and you can directly upload the Excel data also directly into the database. We have that features,
Okay, yeah,
but
because I,
you need to give the table and its configurations.
yeah, I saw it yesterday, like a page popped up, like asking for the configuration. I thought, okay, I'll check with you before doing it. But can we, because I remember vaguely when when I'm in college, like
Yes,
creating table and,
we can create the table, and we can create the we can insert the data. So no,
so now my point is, like my question is, so there are 3 databases already inbuilt in here. I
yes.
don't want to put my table anywhere in that database. So
Okay, then
for
you
the
need to
data,
create a new database, and you need to
okay.
define its schema.
Yeah, that's where I stopped actually. I
Uh,
didn't get how to,
so now, if you observe the queries which I shared with you, you're able to
okay.
find out the way how to
Okay,
create a table. Create a table. The table name is that thing, and what it is, what its character, what type of data it will absorb, and all those things you can able to observe.
yes,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Now,
Yeah.
each and everyone's loading is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, so now I'll
I
give
just
10 minutes of time. I'll give a 10 minutes of time, and I'll tell one query for you. Select a star
Mhm.
from database dot table. If you execute that query, you will get the entire data from that particular database table. Okay, you need to prepare one Excel, or you can write on a paper, and it need to be available in front of you. In database, what are the tables are there? In each and every table, what are the columns are there? Okay, you need to be have that particular list ready.
We need to
So
prepare
what?
a Excel sheet,
Yes, Excel sheet is
this
also fine.
table. Yeah.
So
Okay.
you said database dot which one, sir? Select star
No,
from database dot
select
table.
star table. That's it. So now I'm going to select in a database, 4 tables are there, 3 tables are there, or 2 tables are there.
Okay, but I understood. But the database, like we have to provide the database name, right?
Yes, SQL HR
So
dot. Inside the
okay,
SQL HR, multiple tables
okay,
are
you,
there.
okay, I understood.
Employees,
I got it.
offices,
Yeah,
and all those things like that. You need to
yeah.
grab an information, and you need to prepare an Excel. You need to prepare an Excel like that. What are the different tables inside to the database, and what are the different columns inside to the table?
Okay,
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 just
okay,
I'll give a
got
10
it.
minutes. Try to
Employee.
grab and try to prepare.
Okay, sir.
Either prepare a sheet and you can paste it in front of you up to completion of our Excel, or you can maintain an Excel sheet. That's also fine.
so now
Sir,
can you
what
see
we
my
have to
screen?
do? Make a table.
Yes, I mean to make a Excel. I don't want you to make and collect the entire data. Just if you know what table, what columns, then only we can make a relations, and we can able to fetch the data with a different type of joins and all those things, right?
So I
So
click on that.
for that
Okay.
reason, we need to be
Uh-huh.
familiar with the databases, tables, and in columns inside to the tables.
So it's come like employee ID, first name, last name.
Yes, like that.
So
In
I click on
employees table, for example,
oh,
you are saying
uh-huh.
SQL HR. That is the database of SQL HR.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Inside to the SQL HR, how many tables are there? Employees table is there, and
And
offices
offices,
table is there.
yeah, there's
In
office.
employees table, what are the columns? In offices table, what are the columns? You need to have that information in your Excel.
Employee ID. Okay, so we have to do okay.
Anyone are confusing?
Yes,
Okay.
I am. This is Prakshi.
One second. Then I'll do one thing. For example, I'll show
You
you.
just want us to prepare a bare skeleton kind of thing in the Excel, what
You
table
know,
is there?
I'll tell. So I just shared a image in our group. Just you see, that is what I'll prepared, and that is what in front of me. Like that, you also need to be have visible to you, all of you. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 10 minutes I'm giving. Meanwhile, I'm pausing the recording. Just in 10 minutes, try to complete for all those databases and all those tables. So now you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Now, here what's my intention is at here. Intention is you need to select, for example, I'll take the small one. Okay. SQL HR is a database, right? In that database, how many tables are there? Employees table is there,
Yes.
and
First
officers
name.
table is there,
Okay.
and
Okay.
SQL these are the two tables only there, right?
There are two tables only. Yes.
Okay. So I'm just simply mention simple. And what are the columns inside to it? Employee ID.
Okay, so you
Last.
want us to make in one sheet or
You know,
one database with one sheet?
if everything will be there in the one sheet, all the databases, then it will be very easy to observe and to try to
Yeah.
find out the relations.
Okay.
Okay.
I made it, but I made it with the tabs, sheet tabs.
No, you
number of
can
sheets.
merge, you can copy and paste it in a one
Yeah.
sheet.
Okay, sir.
It's like employee ID, first name,
Got it. Uh-huh.
like this. Or once it is completed, you can make another
Other
database.
table.
Is
Okay.
another all the tables at here and
Mhm.
columns inside to it. Another database, different
Okay.
tables, all the columns like this. No, I said like that. If you are available with all those data,
Okay.
then it is very easy to find out relations and to uh, get into logic without
Got
wasting a
it.
time and without searching all those things. It's
Mhm.
very easy to implement the concepts.
Got it, sir.
Anyone completed, or each and everyone are at this stage only?
Sir, I did it, but I did it in the other way.
Okay. Just try to be remodified and available
Yes,
in the one sheet.
sure, sir. Mhm. I made for all the schemas, all different sheets.
Yeah.
Mhm.
From the different tables.
You're able to see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right. Now, here I'll try to make you full. First, I'll select the SQL HR database. Okay. If you want to select defaultly, just you need to double click on that particular database. It means we selected that particular database. For the type of queries, we no need to mention the database name. For example, see what is the table? Employees. Just a colon. You can execute it. Are you able to see? Here I didn't mention any database name. Guys, if you don't have any disturbance, you can unmute yourself and you can interact with me.
Did you
This
select any
will
default schema, sir?
Yes, I selected default schema as a SQL HR by double clicking on it. Okay, for example, just you see, I am going to another database that is SQL invoicing. For example, I'm going to the SQL invoicing. In this particular SQL invoicing, clients is a one specific table. Select star from clients. Okay. But what is the default database which is here which is selected at here?
SQL,
SQL
SQL
HR.
HR.
In SQL
It's
HR
fine.
clients table is not there, right?
Oh,
Even though if I'm writing in the same format without mentioning the database and I'm executing this query, you're able to see some error at here.
yeah.
What is the error? Table SQL HR dot clients doesn't exist.
I was getting this error a lot yesterday.
Okay, that is the reason. You need to know that. You need to be aware and you need to be very cautious when you're running running queries. What is the default database? If we are running with the multiple databases and if we are creating and fetching the data from multiple databases, it need to be clear you're calling the database also along with the table. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Sir, can you tell so the client is not from the same database, right? So did it execute?
It doesn't
lost
execute
a-
it.
yeah.
It given
It
some
will not
error, right?
execute.
Yes.
Yeah. So what did you do? So you clicked on this SQL clients one. What is the clients one? Invoicing. Did you make that as the schema?
No. I didn't make our default schema is the
I mean,
highlighted one. You are able to
database.
see, right? Our
Yes,
default
yes.
database is SQL HR. That is highlighted and you are
Okay.
able to see it in a bold.
Yes.
Okay. This is our table,
This
which is
table.
not a defaulted database one. If that is the
Okay.
case, you will get an error.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the table. Just you see. This is the error. You will get it for this. So now, to execute this one, what you need to do?
Select
The
star
database
from need to
SQL invoicing.
database. You have to mention database dot client.
Yes. You're able to see?
SQL.
If it
Yeah,
is not a
SQL.
default database, you need to explicitly mention the database name in front of the table. Just see. Select star from what is our database? What is our database?
SQL invoicing.
Invoicing.
Invoicing dot.
Client.
I'm selecting this and executing it. Now
Executing.
it is executed and you are able to see the data. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, right now. You can select what is the what it indicates. Star indicates
All.
All columns.
All columns.
all columns from the table. Okay. If you want to select only specific columns,
You can call by the column names.
specific columns, you need to exclude star and directly use the column names by separating comma. Okay. See, for example, what are the different columns available in select star from EMPLOYEES, employees. Employee ID and salary. For example, I want to fetch only these two columns. What I'll do,
Select employee ID,
employee
salary,
ID, comma,
salary
salary
from employees.
from employees. Just select this one and execute this one. Okay, clear? Is it clear for each and every one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, okay, where class. So now, when we'll use where class, what is the meaning and what is the
Some
intention of the where?
For some condition.
Some condition.
If we want to check like equal to or less than or greater than or greater than or equal to or less than or equal to or not equal to. Okay, if we want to mention and if we want to filter a data based on some specific condition, or if we want to fetch the data on basis of some specific condition, then we will use where condition. Okay, for example, you see, so here I am mentioning select the data from HRDB SQL HRDB with salaries more than 70,000. How we will do now?
Select star from SQL HR.
Okay, now for, up to now, I just written all the queries in a regular format. But now I'll show you how to write in a standardized format. Okay. Select star. Why we are getting error here? Why? Because we didn't conclude this.
Semicolon. Semicolon. Yeah.
Okay. Select star from what is the data? What is the database and what is the table name? Our database is nothing but
SQL HR is the
SQL
database.
HR.
Dot employees.
Dot
Employees.
dot employees, right?
Where
You no need to mention employees and SQL HR in a capital. Why? Because we are following some specific thing, right? SQL HR dot
HR. Employees.
employees is a table. Why? Because we are writing capitals which are related to SQL keywords, which are internally related to SQL. If we are able to see the capitals and which are in a blue color, those are related to either comments or those are related to internal functionality keywords related to SQL. Okay, see now. So now I'm just executing it. What is my condition at here? I want to fetch the data related to related to salary condition. What's my condition? It's more than
more than 70,000.
70,000, right? Now what I'm going to do, see employees, right? Where what is my salary column name?
Salary.
Salary greater than
70,000.
70,000. It is a number, right? You don't need to mention in single quotes or double quotes.
Okay.
Okay, now you see
Mhm.
The records which are here are more than 70,000. Okay, clear? How you're going to filter? Now, here I'm mentioning one more thing. And if I want to select another condition like that, broker salary reports to office
Which
ID.
are who all are reporting the
Okay.
3737.
For example, I want to see the office size, so their salaries. So that is a question at here. Now I'm framing one more question at here. $70,000 and those office IDs are belongs to 4.
Hmm.
Then how you will write? Just first, this is the first condition. First, we need to be sure the salaries information is greater than 70,000. Okay.
Mhm.
And
Now, and
Office ID equal to 4.
office ID equal to 4.
We will
4. Mhm. Execute. And then, okay.
Okay. Is it clear?
so,
yes, sir.
Yeah.
More than one condition in where?
Hmm.
Clear?
Mhm.
so can we use this and for combining 2 to 3 queries
Yes.
together?
If you want to use one more condition, for example, what I'll say, okay, I'll use one more condition, A and D, and reports
Report
to
to.
is equal to 37270. 37270.
Hmm.
See, number of conditions you can add.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, is it clear?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
The
Now,
numbers we don't need to put in quotes.
yes,
Quotes
if it is
here
a
is just
character, then only
only,
it need to be
in quotes.
yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Just give me one.
Hmm.
Okay, hello.
Yes.
See now. So this is the and condition, right? Now I am
Yes.
using
Mhm.
the thing for or
Mm.
condition. Just see.
Okay.
What is the meaning? What is the difference between and or?
And
And
means
will take
both,
both
or
and
means
or
either
will
this or
take
that.
one.
Yes, Pari.
If salary is more than 70,000
Or
or office ID sir belongs to 4 or reports to
Reports to equal to 37.
37,270.
270. Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now what I need to do, I'm just changing.
And to or.
Okay. Now I'm executing this query. Just see the results. Observe the difference between the results.
Hmm.
The entire data it will come. Why? Because all are reports to only 37270.
Hmm.
Right? So that is the reason I'm removing this particular condition. Show the difference.
mm,
Delete. You see? Salary must be greater than 70,000 or reports to our office ID
Office
4.
ID.
4.
Or.
The
Yes.
salary 70,000 condition, greater than 70,000 condition, all these records are came. For example, if you
Mm.
observe this one 67,987, it's less than 60, less than 70,000.
70.
But on what basis it came into the picture? Because
Office
office ID
ID 4.
is 4.
4.
Okay, on that particular basis, you got this particular result. Clear?
Mm.
So, sir, this is Reshma. I had a question. Like,
Yes.
as you said, the salary greater than 70, right? So, can we write a range like from 70 to 90?
Yes,
Uh,
right. We can write. We are going to discuss at
Okay, the
between function.
between, right?
Yes,
Okay,
right.
70 to between 90. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
right. We can see it here.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Mhm.
Now, so what is the meaning of not function?
Not is.
वो condition नहीं होता. I mean,
Like we want
that
to write
condition will
not
not
equal to
occur.
70,000. Not greater than 70,000.
Select the data from the database
Where
Mhm.
salaries
more
are
than
not
70,000 and the field IDs,
not
the
equal
field
to.
IDs except for officer IDs.
Mm. Except
Office
for.
ID. Office IDs except for. It means whatever may be, whatever it may can happen, but not for.
Mhm.
Okay,
It
right?
will show everything
Except
but
for.
4.
But not
Yeah.
4.
Yes.
Are you able to see
Okay.
in the data?
It is shown.
Okay,
Oh.
this is a Python not symbol.
Mhm.
Oh God. Office ID.
Still is showing 4.
Okay. Here you see R condition it is a.
Or
yeah.
condition. That's why I'm.
Okay, this is the of uh, one way of not symbol. Okay, this is the one
Yes.
way by using this particular symbol and method one. And method See, you can mention not equal to with help of the closed greater than and less than and greater than combination.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Mhm.
This is
Yes.
not. Okay, we edited that actual query. Okay, one thing we'll do. Fix and so notice this that IDs are belongs to 4 or okay, right, belongs to 4 కాబట్టి is equal to these queries are belongs to not here. Okay, clear?
Mhm.
Everything is clear up to now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, so in. Okay, in. How you will check the in? What is the meaning of in?
Like we can use a job title like in like VP marketing in that particular
Okay.
sub
For example,
job title.
see this one, see this one. I'm selecting this query and I'm doing a little modifications.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, where ID
Office ID. Mhm.
in 1 comma what do you understand? If we want to filter data based on
Office ID or
multiple values in one column. Okay, all those values which were mentioned inside to the in function are belongs to only one column.
one column.
Okay, so now if we want to filter the data based on multiple values in one column, then in will be used. Okay, clear? You understand the importance of this?
Mhm.
If those are the string values, you need to mention in double quotes.
Okay.
Okay, for example,
Mhm.
I'll show you. This is related to the numeral value. I want to check what is the name I want to use. RISING. RISING rising.
Mhm.
RISING rising and crystal. See RISSIL crystal. Okay, clear?
Mhm.
I'm executing this query. See, something happened. Okay,
It
where
needs to
here
change
office
the
ID, right?
column name.
I need to change the column. I need to change the column name.
Mm-hmm.
First name. If you observe, it doesn't throw any error message. Why? Because this is not a syntax error.
Yeah.
This is a mistake
There's no
done by our
information.
human error.
Yeah,
Right.
right.
Now you see, that is
That
not the
is
first
in
name.
last name.
No, that's the
Okay.
last name.
Okay. See now. See, this is the way of filtering.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Right. Filter the data on basis of salary column and the ranges from 70,000 to 90,000.
Mhm.
Now then, what do you need to do?
Select from.
Select
Select from
select star
HQL.
from SQL HR employees where salary
In between 70 and 90,000. Execute. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Salary. It will be clear if we are editing or it is very easy to understand the query if you write in this particular way. Why? Because when you
Yeah.
are writing some big queries, it is very easy to understand the query and debug to the query, debug the query.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Mm.
like, I'll show you the use of like. So now I'll write the what's the purpose, and before that, I want to show you implementation. For example, select star from SQL HR dot employees. These are entire data, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is our entire data. Now what I'm doing it here, wow, what I'm doing it here, just see. Where mm, first name like first name like what is M, okay, right, M, it need to start with M, and I don't have any specifics related to it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Observed?
So that is a percentage sign.
Yes,
The-
right. What is
okay.
it? What it's meaning? If you mentioned inside to the quotes, this is the starting letter.
Mm.
Okay, or starting sequence. Okay, and after that percentage means after first you don't want to consider about how many characters is there, what type of characters is, what type of characters are there. You don't need to consider.
If we
That
put
meaning
percentage
is,
before M,
sorry,
if we put percentage before
I'll tell,
M,
I'll tell. Wait for 1 second. Okay, now this is the way how you're going to check and how you're going to filter the data with starting, on the starting
Mhm.
basis. Okay,
Mhm.
now here inside to the code, if I included the percentage, okay, and after that starting letter, ending letter or ending letter or ending sequence, then what it means, it can start with anything, it doesn't bother, but it need to end with the same thing what we're expecting. For example, I'll show you it here. Control C and okay, now I don't have any consideration related to with which letters it started. Okay, first I'll try to execute this query to see the names and all those things. Okay, and what I'm feeling like that, I want to give the ending sequence. What is the sequence I have? A N E L T A T A G E D Y E Y C Y E R T H V Y E Y. Okay, no, not I'm not able to find any such type of common sequence. Okay, right. I'll try to give you it here. Okay, whatever it may be. MAN. This is the sequence which I am choosing. Okay.
Mhm.
You're able to see?
Yes.
Is it clear? Like
Yes.
functionality.
Uh-huh.
Okay. If you want to, the same two things you can do on the basis of the, you can restrict the characters also. I'll tell what it mean. Sorry. I'll tell what it mean. For example, inside to that, you can mention the starting letter. Okay. And you need to, you can tell like that, 3 letters. One second, I'll show you. There is no data if you observe. What
Mhm.
it mean after M, it can start with anything, but after M, it need to be have only 3 characters. You need to mention one for one character, one underscore for one character.
Okay.
Okay, but very rarely we'll use, but you need to remember. You can implement like that ending also, starting also. In the
Mhm.
4th position, M need to become. After that, whatever it may come also, I don't have any problem.
Mhm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now just I'll try to give N. Okay. MAN. This is the sequence which we choose it, right? I'll check. No one ending with X. Okay, right. Forgot. What is the name here, which we selected previously? Ending with MAN only, right? MAN. Okay, here I write MAN. Okay, just see. Now here I'm mentioning I want only 2 characters after M. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Mm.
So now for this, I'll write a 2 statements at here. That will be practice. We can restrict number of characters after sequence with help of underscore. You can restrict number of characters after or before the specified sequence with help of underscore. Is it clear? The same query is example for it. And I'm just pasting like this. And I'm using 2 underscores. Okay, clear? Each and everyone.
Yes. Sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Now I'll use I'll tell a regular concept expression at here. So up to now, anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Each and everything is clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just be confident and try to practice all these things. 1 second, I'll forgot. I'll share these things with you. I'm sharing these particular SQL queries with you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
data from single table, right? Okay, I shared to you the SQL queries up to now which we used and all the notes which is taken in it here in our group. You can open it in your notepad form and you can practice it parallelly, or you can directly import these queries and you can prepare it.
Mhm.
Okay, so once it is completed now, regular expression is also like that, like operator, but it has some sophisticated operations and facilities. Okay, after that null, order by limit. Once these are completed now, we'll have to discuss about the inner joinings across the databases, joining multiple tables, compound joins, implicit joins, outer joins, self joins, natural joins, cross joins, unions. We're going to discuss these things. When if we want to discuss all these things now, you need to be very familiar with the tables in the another databases and tables in the
Default datas, yeah.
yes, in the same database we need to have commands on the things, and along with that we need to be have familiarity with the tables in the another database.
Yeah.
Why? Because if we want to create a join means nothing but we want to integrate the 2 tables on basis of some information which is common in those 2 tables. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
So
guys.
I have one question regarding
yes.
Tableau.
Yes.
That
Tell me.
so can I share my screen for a minute?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Where is it?
Tejinder.
Wait. Let me open that first. So this one is Tableau. You told about that resources we can get the data and make some sheets and all.
Yes, right.
So I just, oh, what it is. So I just collect data from Netflix database
Okay.
and that resources.
Mm-hmm.
So I made these sheets like directors worldwide. But in
Mm.
this, that one filter is not working properly.
Which filter?
This release year.
Mm-hmm. Release year.
So when I am doing this,
Okay.
so I have to give here 2020,
Okay.
but it is not taking. Oh, it's wrong. I think I did forward 10 0, and here 1925 starting. But when I'm doing this, so it is showing another values like too much.
That is a date, right? That is a date. Okay.
Date.
That is
The-
extracting your entire data on the form of month,
Date.
year, and date. Okay. Now,
Okay.
now once go to the release year column. Right click
Yeah,
click
I'm
on
here.
it. Click on it.
Yeah, it's opening.
1 second.
Wait.
Show only. No. Click on the drop down. Click on the drop down. Yes. And go to that measure.
Measure.
No. Go to that. One second. Up to the filter, measure, remove, release year. Then you need to select the continuous time and continuous attribute. That is the only you are able to see in your screen.
Yeah, just these
Select the
options.
discrete. Select the discrete. Select the discrete.
Count
Beside to the
discrete.
measure. Beside to the measure.
Yes.
Below to the measure.
Okay.
Select the discrete. Okay. Now you can select the filter. You can set the filter.
I can select all.
Yes.
Okay. Then okay.
Yes. Okay.
But I will do it show filter here. Okay. So now it will come this way. Now I want to see only this year. Okay. Now 2 movies, count of title. Okay. That filter is taking for all month, year, and
Yes. I want to select your data
continuing day.
contains along with the date. Because of the
Okay.
reason, it is it's like feeling like that.
Okay.
You need to
And
discrete means right? You know the difference between the continuous and discrete, right? So if you select discrete, then it will select the years.
Okay. And one more question regarding these duration. They gave duration minutes and duration seasons.
Okay.
So I choose filters, duration seasons, and duration minutes in columns and rows title. But this is how this is showing like this way, not everything like this is season, this is minutes.
Okay, 1 second. Count of title on y-axis and durations. Okay, duration seasons and the duration. What are there in the duration minutes?
Duration minutes. Yeah, lot
This is
of
a continuous
minutes like.
value. This is a continuous value.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Why you are mentioning continuous value in a column?
Yeah, it was automatically coming in, so I didn't follow continuous and discrete.
Okay. Just remove it. What you want to see? Tell me your objective. What do you want to see?
Like 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes.
Okay, you want to see in a bins. You want to see the bins, right? What you are saying? 30 minutes, how
Yeah.
many are there? 40 minutes, how many are
Yes.
there? 60 minutes,
Yes.
how many are there? That is the binning concept which we didn't discuss.
Okay. So it will
Okay,
come
we can
later
create.
on.
Yes, we can create.
Okay.
We can create the bins. So, okay, in between 0 to 50, from 51 to 100, like that.
Okay. Other than that, I think everything was good. So I was stuck on this part and that part, date release by year.
Okay. Anyone have any doubts?
Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm struggling on SQL. I don't know why.
Okay, no problem. You can share your screen if you want.
Yes. So I see on your screen, can you see my screen now?
Yes, right.
So I see the SQL invoice, but I couldn't find in my schemas.
SQL
Invoice
invoice. Maybe you didn't load it.
here, it should be right here. Inventory or store or HR.
3 only you
Invoicing is the
loaded.
different one.
Invoice is the different one.
You sent 4 of them?
Yes, right. 4. I shared
Oh,
4.
maybe that could be the reason. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Without
Yeah.
loading, how it will be shown to you?
Because I
From my
thought you sent
WhatsApp
me
to
today.
directly? No.
That's why I was confused why it's not showing on my screen.
Okay, right.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone have any questions, or can we wrap up the session for today? Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good
Bye.
night.
Okay.